This video has the purpose of reviewing how to read rhythms. Remember that one of the most important things that you have to keep in mind when you read with using quarter notes and eighth notes and quarter note rest is to count the beats, to count the downbeat and the upbeat, downbeat, upbeat, downbeat, upbeat, all of the time in a very even way. Remember that the way of counting this should be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice that I'm not rushing, I'm not dragging down the speed, I'm not making sudden stops, I'm not cutting down in different chunks all of these beats. I try to go as fluent as possible. Okay, avoid doing things like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That would be the incorrect way of counting the beats here in this particular case. Remember to always try and be fluent and count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you play either quarter notes on or eighth notes on either the downbeat or the upbeat below which they appear, or to the ones that they correspond to. Okay, for example, here in this case, you play this quarter note in number 1. You don't play anything here in the upbeat because this is a quarter note. These two are eighth notes, so you play on the 2 and you play on the upbeat of 2. Then you play on the 3 and the upbeat of 3. Then you play here this quarter note on the 4. You don't play anything on the upbeat of 4 because this is a quarter note. Remember that in the case of quarter note rests, you don't play anything on that beat and the upbeat that comes right after, like here or here, for example. Okay, so what you're going to do is to either count out loud or count to your heads, but you have to always keep the count just like I showed right now, and you're going to clap your hands accordingly depending on the presence of either quarter notes or eighth notes or quarter note rests. So the result is going to be something like this. Okay, here it goes. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and. Okay, that's how you count it. I hope this review was productive and see you next time.